So Patrick, you sent me 3 locks and this is the third one. It's a padlock from rock. We'll discuss it later on where it originates from and the facts, but let's get to the picking. So we get to pop the cherry before we talk about it. Nice and dandy here up in our vise, and apply some tension to the lock, and who's the first? First one is springy, second is springy, third one is springy, fourth one gotta click just by touching him. Okay, and touch the third and it's open. I didn't even have to touch the first 2 pins. That was weird. Okay, so it's open. We zoom out a bit. Let's get it in full frame here. So move our vise to the side here and zoom in a bit here. Okay, so the padlock in question, the rock padlock. It's from the grocery stores here in Sweden. It's sold by Konsum, and pretty low standard Chinese padlock. I mean, just look at this locking pad. It isn't even centered in the hole. The hole itself is pretty damn poorly placed itself. But hey, what do you expect from 49 crowns? Not so much. The key, pretty solid bidding. The third one is pretty high, hiding behind the low first 2 cuts, but since I didn't even touch them, it got open anyway, so I guess only two pins in the back needed manipulation for open. Still works with the key, and I can see down here. You can see the locking pals, so we should be able to shim it. And hey, what do you know? I don't even think there is a locking pal on this side, because we only have a cut on this side. So why did I even bother pushing a shim down on this side? Let's try it again with only 1 shim. Yeah. First time I've seen that. They really saved up on anything. They didn't even mark it as hardened, so why would it? But you know, it's a tradition, so we'll try it. Yeah, no hardening there, but at least they weren't lying on this lock as on many other Chinese locks. So Patrick, there you go, the rock padlock from Konsum, or Coop as they're called now. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is the Picky Swede. Next time we will try to pick an old Asa door key, that door lock that I got from our local locksmith. It's without a key, but hey, we don't need a key, right? See you next time.